Hi guys, what's up? So this week I'm gonna look over a website I use when I find out company information and so on. And I hope you guys are using this website as well and using all the tools that it actually have. Thanks for joining me. I'm Jamie. Now, you see if you're new to my channel, people, please consider subscribing, turn on your post notification. And if you like the videos, if videos about investing, personal finance, and just business in general are things that you like, you can just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button as well. Now, you can also connect with me. I'm on social media. I'm on Instagram at JA or Twitter at JA2030. So today, as I said, we're going to go over one of the websites that I use when I'm trying to find information about different companies or just read up in general and recent company news and so on. Because listed companies in Jamaica need to really and truly file anytime they do anything, such as like if a director buys or sells stocks, they have to put it out there to let the public know that, hey, a director is investing in the company because they might be bullish on the company or they're selling their shares because they might say, oh, something happens to them selling out. So you kind of have an understanding of what is going on. And the website I'm going to look on today is actually Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. In my opinion, this website is where you get majority of the information on the listed companies. Well, in my opinion, it's where you actually get majority of the information in Jamaica right now on listed companies. Understand me? Alright, so right now we're going to go over to the website for the Jamaica Stock Exchange and we can see how it is that the front page looks and what to expect when we go to the website. Alright, people? So right here we have the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. Now, everybody's supposed to know a stock exchange website. My last giveaway, well, my first and last giveaway last year was actually centered around the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, if you're one of the persons that came here to find out what the tickers meant, then you should actually already be familiar with this website. This right here is the homepage of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. And if you look right here, guys, where you see my pointer, that is just stop, where you see Toki, this is the tickers. Now, at all time, the Jamaica Stock Exchange actually have the tickers running across. Now, if you come here on a day where the market is open, then these tickers actually change. So the ticker ribbon right here actually updates. You can see where the price for different securities have changed and the quantity and so on. So you can use it to really and truly kind of have a real-time sense, so to speak, of what the market is doing right now. Now, when we go back through, as with any website, you have the different places that you can go, your home, your news, your events, your market data, investor center, and so on. Now, a lot of information is on the home page for the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. We can see here on the home page where they're saying that one of the directors of Rita Humphreys Lewis has resigned. She is retired. And you have other information here, other news that has come out about different companies. Right here we can see where Alliance, they have extended the suspension of their offer for sale for the prospectus. Also, Proven has closed their APO. Derryman has decided to upsize and they've also closed their APO. So you're going to see these kind of information on the website for the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, this information here, while it is very important, when I come on the Stock Exchange's website, the first thing I look at is down here. Right here where it says company news. Now, on this company news section, hold on, let me just try and see if I can get it a little bit bigger for you guys, so that way you don't miss out on anything, people. Alright, so right here you can see where it says that Margarita Turks Limited, they have sent out their financial statement. ECL, one of the companies that I told you guys I'm bullish on, has also sent out their financial statement. So guess what? I need to go and read that right now, see what ECL is going, see what the directors have in store for ECL and what are their views on the future for ECL. There's going to be a lot of information here, people, and you should always keep up to date with it. Me personally, and I might try to check it at least every day. So like every morning I will check it, see what new information come out and how it affects me, because one of the things that come out here is dividends. So any of my dividends start coming out to that dividend, then I know, see, I can look here. So, or anything in general. See, I just come and notice that right now, Express Catering interim second report is now out. So, I need to go ahead and take a read after. You also have your company events over here. We have a company events and so on. But this is not the only thing that you can use the site for, and I'm going to actually show you one of the things that I love about the JSE's website. It's actually a monthly report, and I'm going to show you that later down. When you go up here and you go to news basically shows you everything that the JSE has published up until now. And you can actually search. Normally, if I want to find something, I normally search by the ticker. So searching for the ticker and it will find exactly what I want. So let's say I wanted to find something on VMIL, Victoria Mutual Investments. Then, you know, so this thing here about management change is one of the first things that is going to come up. And this is not just limited to recent information. If you go down here, you can actually go as far back as to the last page. And when you check out the last page, you can see here where you have information here posted in 1995. So you see that, look, this one here, November 30. Well, I don't even know what that 009 is for, you know, for the last one, you know, but we can see where it says up here, January 31, 1995 at 12 a.m. So it's a whole heap of information in this news section for the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. So I don't want you guys sleep on this website and just believe, say, yo, you just come here for tickers and so on. And yes, I believe you should come here for the ticker information. There is a lot of news where you can even read up on with old information. Now we're going back to the home page just real quick so that I can show you something else. So right here on the front screen, we can see where you see this thing going across right here. You have your main and this manufacturing and distribution index. You have the different indexes going across. You have your junior market index. This also shows you the main index, US index, and everything. When you click on these indexes, what it does is to show you the trading summary for today, for the particular day that you have clicked on. And it's going to show you a list of information about the different companies on the stock exchange in terms of price, volume, how much shares are traded, and so on for this particular day. Now, it's also going to show you who won, so whose price increased over yesterday. It's going to show you who lose as well. So if you look right here at the top here, we have 138 Student Living. Their price went down by 36 cents. So they're one of the losers for today. Now, these are just some of the more easy information that you can find on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. But there are certain things that you can find that I believe you really and truly need to know how to get this information out of the stock exchange website. And one of that is historical prices. Now, right now we're on the market data tab. Now, but because we are actually under the indexes, you're not going to find what it is that I want you guys to see right now. When you go to the market data tab, you're going to have a whole heap of different things that you can see. So from right here, you can see I have a bond indices report, a daily market quote, a daily market summary, downloads, historical data, instrument summary, a lot of stuff. Now, make sure you guys are using this information, because this will help in you deciding which companies that you want to invest in. Now, one of the things that me really and truly use is not even historical data, it's actually downloads. I like using downloads because what it does, it actually shows me like price history for companies. And I like to understand how the price has been moving for the companies over a particular period of time. Now, when I do this, I normally try to pull a company. So let me just pick a company at random. ISP Finance. So if I'm going to look at how ISP's price has been moving over the past year, I like to go ahead and choose somewhere in the past, let's say 2014. So January 2014. I want to see what ISP has been doing since January 2014 up until the 2nd of February, which is practically yesterday. Now, ISP has been really and truly listed since 2016. So That's why I'm not able to find any more prices for ISP. And then once I'm finished with this, I can just go ahead and hit this button, download to CSV, and find all of the information, create all of my charts and all of them things there for this ticker and see where the price has been moving over time. Now, you have different things there as you could have seen, such as the corporate action and your index history. These are things that you need to know. With corporate actions, one of the main things that you will find here is dividends. So if you choose see, as you open corporate actions, the first thing that we see is dividend. So Honeybun, Epley, and Lab has paid dividend. Now the ex-div date for Lab was the 7th of January, and the payment date was the 22nd. They decided that they're going to pay 7 cents dividend for whatever period that they decided right there. So you see, but there are other things that you can find here. Now let's say you have companies that decide to do different corporate actions. It's something that you're going to see right here. Now with the JSE website as well, so you can actually use it to track your portfolio. I don't know how many of you guys know, you can track your portfolio through this website. How you track your portfolio? You have a login, so you need to create an account. And this is one of the things that I like about the JSE website. Now, I really and truly gone ahead. Well, I'm going to go over here and just log back into my JSE account to see how my account was looking at the time. Well, it's been a couple of years since I've updated it still, but see, last change, August 21st, 2017. Now, the reason why I say August 2017 here is because I actually decided to monitor my portfolio manually. So I actually have everything in a Excel file for my portfolio, and this isn't even my portfolio because it's not some portfolio look, to be honest, because I have whole heap more stocks than this right now. So here I have proven, I have Wisinco. I put that I have proven here 39,000 units at 22 cents, and current market price would have been 27 cents. Now this would have been in US, and what this is going to show me is how much I purchased it for, $8,609, and right now it's at $10,554. So all of my gains and my losses, this website would have actually picked it up. So for those of you guys who want to track your portfolio, you might not want to do it manually like me, and you want to see where you buy it, it show you your gains, it show you how much you lose if you're losing, show you how much you're winning when you're winning, and all of that. You can go ahead and log into the website here for the Jamaica Stock Exchange and move from there. Now I'm going to go back to the Jamaica Stock Exchange website because, as I said, I have more stuff to show you, but I wanted to show you guys this particular feature because I think it's a very good feature to have. Because just logging in and keeping track of your portfolio, you know where you're winning, you know how much you're winning, and you know who is your loser. So when you're ready to cut your losing positions, it's easy to see. Now, while some brokers might actually show you like who are your winners, where you are win, how much you are lose right now, sometimes it's good to keep a better track, because I know some brokers don't show you like a fulsome information. So they don't show you how much you're winning, like your purchase price. I know one broker actually only shows which part of your portfolio there right now, which in truth and fact not really help me, just show my value right now. I need to know how much money may I lose, right? And I believe you guys want to know how much money you're losing when it comes to a different stock, right? So you can look into this and see if it can help out with your portfolio and so on, all right? Now, the next thing we can actually do, on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, there's also a stock market game. I actually played the stock market game a couple of years ago when I just started investing. But, I'm not gonna lie to you, really end pretty for me, come like way down in the stock market game. But it is there. Now, I noticed that it's saying a majority of these games are private, so I'm not sure how the games are created that make them private and so on, but you guys can look into it. So you can look into it if you play the games, because it will give you a feeling for investing. If you pick a stock, you have some high conviction about it, you buy it, it's going to simulate even trading fees. So you're going to simulate the fees that you pay when you buy your stock and so on. It gives you about 500,000 to start. So You have a little leeway to play around with and see how you would invest if you decide to invest. And this one, you would not lose anything at all if you play the stock market game and lose the whole 500,000. It's just paper money. Now, I'm going to move on and show you one of the most critical things that I think a lot of persons need to know about on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, I don't know how many of you guys know this, but say every month the Jamaica Stock Exchange actually release a PDF document with every company that is on it and how they have been doing over the past few periods, like over the past month, over the past year, over the like year to date and so on. Now, in order for you to get to this, if you're late on it, you can pretty much type in monthly right here and then search for the monthly statistics from the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, right here we have the monthly statistics for January. So when I go here, it's going to bring you to another page where you can actually open the PDF document and so on, which I've already opened and thing. Alright, so right here we have the stock price analysis for the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, this particular one was done up to January 29th. So it's going to show you the 1 month, what the stock has been doing for January alone, the year to date, which right now is only January. When it comes to February, it's going to show it between January and February. And also the 1 year. So how was the stock doing last year, January, and how is it doing this year, January? So as you can see right here, people, to be honest, a lot of these companies, when it comes to the 1 year piece, them not really get back up yet. But I don't know how many of you know about this company right here. Siboney Group Limited. Right now, Siboney Group Limited is doing 91% for the past year. Now, Siboney is a bankrupt company. It's currently in receivership. So they don't have anything like, they have a property. I think it's one property they have right now that they are looking to sell. But it's a bankrupt company. It's really nothing there that they're doing. They used to be in the hotel business, but all of that kind of go down. Look at the stock price analysis, people. Find it and look at it. As I said, it gives you a lot of information about the different companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. And it's a very great tool for finding new stocks, finding stocks that have been beaten down, to be honest, and see where they're going. And it doesn't only show you information for the main market, it shows you all the information for the junior market as well. So right here we're actually coming up on the junior market information. Now, one of the things that I was looking at in the December one is that for last year, I think only 5 or so companies made it onto this portion here that showed the winners. So right here we have Top Advancing. They're basically the winners for last year. So only 5 companies made it here, which for the whole stock market, to be honest, is very pitiful. But it's Corona time, it is what it is. But as I said, we still made some gains. Market, they were trading lower than they were the year before. Gains were still there to be made. Check out the Jamaica Stock Exchange website, people. As we all know, all of the information or news about the companies listed on the exchange have to be posted there. And I believe if you have a very good grasp of how the Jamaica Stock Exchange website works, it will undoubtedly help you to be a better investor at the end of the day, because information is key when you want to invest. Thanks for watching, guys. This was just a quick run through of the Jamaica Stock Exchange website and just a couple of things that I like about the website that I think as an investor, it makes me a better investor by knowing where to find this information and what to actually look for when I come to the website. Now, if you like the video, please hit that like button. If you're not yet subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Turn on your post notifications, so when we drop a new video, then you guys will be notified. And as always, remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. So if before you make any money move, Talk to your licensed financial advisor first. So until next week, people. Bye bye.